Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today's video is dedicated to all the ladies out there who are dealing with fibroids. We'll be discussing the best foods that can help manage fibroids and promote overall well-being. Before we get into the food, let's quickly go over what fibroids are. Fibroids are non-cancerous growths in the uterus that affect many women worldwide, causing symptoms like heavy and painful periods, pelvic pain, bloating, and even fertility problems. While professional guidance and medical treatments are essential, changing our diet can assist in managing these conditions. Include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage in your meals. These vegetables contain indole-3-carbinol, a compound that assists in estrogen metabolism and may reduce the risk of fibroids. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in iron and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and balance hormone levels. You can incorporate them into your diet through smoothies and salads. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and fiber. They help reduce inflammation and oxidate stress, potentially improving fibroid symptoms. Salmon, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 have anti-inflammatory properties and may play a role in minimizing fibroid growth. Turmeric. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Add this to your dishes and enjoy a warm cup of turmeric tea and reap the benefits. Sip herbal teas such as green tea, ginger, and dandelion root tea. These teas are renowned for their antioxidant properties and potential to support uterine health. While consuming fibroid-friendly foods is crucial, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. Number 1. Opt for organic and pesticide-free foods whenever feasible to avoid exposure to endocrine disrupting chemicals. Number 2. Reduce or avoid caffeine and alcohol, as they can worsen symptoms like heavy bleeding and pelvic pain. Number 3. Always say no to processed food, sugary snacks, and excessive salt, as they promote inflammation and hormonal imbalance. A healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Incorporating other positive lifestyle changes can have a significant impact on managing your fibroids. Here are a few additional tips. Stay physically active and engage in exercises like walking, yoga, or swimming to improve your blood circulation and maintain a healthy weight. Manage stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or pursuing hobbies that bring you joy. Remember to always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary or lifestyle changes, as they are best suited to provide personalized advice based on your specific situation. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, remember to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.